Alright, we got another bike check because I got my friend Tristan's bike over here. He's got a Mirraco Blend 2 frame with Cane Creek headset, Shadow Attack stem in purple, ODI long neck grips, red line handlebars with M3 forks, and my old Alex front rim with front tire, Fuquay Flyer from Eastern 2.30, pretty big. My old Poverty Carmi cranks, just the crank arms themselves with sealed bottom bracket, sealed mid. We got Animal Hamilton pedals in purple. It looks kind of blue on the camera, but it's purple. Primo wall tire on a Alex double wall back rim, sealed. It's pretty good 9-tooth. We got chain wheel, Eastern chain wheel. I don't really know what type of Eastern chain wheel it is. It's just purple. Seat, alias plastic pivotal with a nitrous pivotal seat post. Seat clamp, just a regular old alloy seat clamp. That's pretty much it. And then on my bike, we got a couple newer parts. We got my Eclat seat, my Eclat plastic with a nice shadow sticker, Shadow Conspiracy. Alex double wall front rim, sealed M3 hub from Mirraco, M3 pegs, and then back to the new back tire. We got a Demolition Momentum back tire and a new chain wheel, Salt Black Ops chain wheel from one of my friends. But oh yeah, and I broke a crank arm, so I had to get a new crank arm. It's my non-drive side one. It's another tubular, and I've already wore it out a lot. Like, it's got paint all off of it. But other than that, we both got both our bikes rolling, running, and can't wait to get my new camera, because once I get my new camera, then I'll be throwing down edits with some of my friends like Luke Diatley and Evan Tremblay at Amps and Ramps Skate Park. Look it up on YouTube. Look up Amps and Ramps. It doesn't have any BMX videos, but just a whole bunch of skateboard videos. Oh yeah, and here's the blue piece of trash, Haro. I gotta get some spacers for this We the People forks. But yeah, I will have that bike put together sooner or later. I don't really know when. Just when I stop needing parts off of it, I'll start putting parts on it and building it back together. But stay on the camera, Tristan.
Hey.
Alright, well, we'll probably be uploading videos later, so see you later.